like to party! Hello everybody! Today I'm on Club Roblox and I'm with one of my kids called Max. So shall we see if I can get any others? So I can get Freya, Emily, Charlie or Lexi. I would want to get Freya because she's like my oldest. Right, so you need to drink, Freya. Let's give Freya a drink. Alright, and Max, you need food. There you go. And now, I've got to pick them both up now, so pick up, drop. I've got to give you a drink. Alright. Should we get you in the pushchair? Let's go this one. Okay, now let's teleport to my house. So here's my house. I'm a teenager, but like Mum's still at work, so I've got to look after the kids. So here are the kids' bedroom. And I don't know why I've got so many beds. Someone sneaked into my house. Hopefully not, but 2 clothing racks. And we need like a double bed and a double bath. Whoops, wrong one. Now let's do... No, not that. Your baby bath with a baby bath. Yeah, that will do. 2 of those. Perfect. Okay, now we just need to get your crib. That one first. That will be blue, pink and pink. I think I'd want them the same colour actually, so yeah, pink and blue. You want a bubble bath? That's what they said. Freya, in you go. Right, now I've got to pick you up. Right, let's leave you to have some nap time. Ah, wrong ones. Whoops. There we go. What's another sleeve? I've got to put the stroller away. I've got to wait for the lift. This is my school uniform, by the way. Alright. So my bed, I'm gonna go to my bedroom. It's in here. There's nothing really in it, so let's build it. Woo. Ooh. Right, I very like those walls, so if you want to know how to get those walls, it's get the carpet and then colour it any colour you want. Like 2 colours. And voila! You have beautiful walls. I think I'm going to delete that so I can go like that. No. Then I add something to go across, like that. Then we add another one of those. Then it'll go like that. Perfect. And then I can add one of those to there. There you go, and now I've just got to do this wall. And there we go. My walls are finished. Now the floor. I'll just do like all of the floor. Sometimes just look. I find that really fun. I'm just gonna add everything a little bit higher. So this is my floor, matches with the walls. And the bed. There we go. What's happening with the babies? Who is she? I'm afraid you want food. Right. Oh, oops. She said hi to me. Hello. She asked if she could see my home. Okay. So I said this is the baby's room. She said thank you. This is the garage. So weird, she brought Turtle with her. Shut that door. These are some sofas. They're so pretty. Very beautiful, she said. This is the bathroom. What do people keep coming into my house? This is the cleaning room. And here is the cinema. Whoops. This is the barbecue section and the garden. And here's the pool table. Here's the kitchen. And this is a teenager bedroom. Here is a child room. This is the master room. With a bathroom. And that's it. Who is he? I need to learn to shut these doors. Right now. Bye. I said bye. Alright, guys. This has to be the end now, so yeah. Farewell.